Opening option number 6 is an interesting statistic. If possible, start with an interesting statistic that is not known by your audience. When I was addressing 350 Seventh-day Adventist pastors on the subject of how to design and deliver a more charismatic sermon, as you heard in other Fripp virtual training courses, we always need to ask ourselves, what is the audience thinking? This is based on the subject, the situation, or the resume of the speaker. I realized the pastors would be thinking, this speaker is the only person on a 3-day program who's not a minister. How can she tell me how to create a more charismatic sermon? After all, I create a new one every week. I bet she isn't even a Seventh-day Adventist, which I'm not. A great way to build your credibility is to use a statistic from your audience's world. My opening line was, 465 times in the Bible, it said it came to pass. It did not say it came to stay. And unless your sermon is well constructed, artfully crafted, and charismatically delivered, it will not come to stay in the hearts, minds, and lives of your congregation. My premise is every Seventh-day Adventist pastor and lay preacher can deliver even more charismatic sermons. Time for a question. A great way to build your credibility as a speaker is to use a statistic from